In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana and Slack to streamline your business efficiently and effectively. These two powerful tools can transform your workflow, making communication and task management seamless within your team. First, let's understand the roles of these tools. Asana is a project management tool designed to help teams organize tasks, set deadlines, and track the progress of their projects. It allows you to keep everything structured and on track, providing a clear overview of what needs to be done and by whom. On the other hand, Slack is a communication tool that facilitates real-time messaging, file sharing, and integration with numerous apps. It's perfect for keeping conversations flowing smoothly and ensuring that every team member is on the same page. Next, let's dive into how you can set up the integration between Asana and Slack. This integration allows for a dynamic duo that enhances productivity by ensuring seamless communication and task management. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the Apps section. Here, you want to search for the Asana app and proceed to install it. Once installed, you'll need to connect your Asana account to Slack. Follow the authentication steps closely. These ensure that your accounts are securely linked. Once your accounts are connected, it's time for customization. Tailor your notifications so that you receive updates from Asana directly in designated Slack channels. This means that as tasks are completed, comments are added, or deadlines approach, you'll receive instant notifications, keeping everyone informed without needing to switch back and forth between platforms. With everything set up, let's talk about streamlining workflows. Use Slack to foster instant communication within your team. Instead of getting bogged down by lengthy email chains, leverage Slack's quick messaging features for updates and discussions. Share files, collaborate on ideas, and resolve issues in real time, all from within Slack, keeping conversations direct and effective. Asana, on the other hand, should be your go-to for task management. Assign tasks to specific team members, establish priorities, and meticulously track the progress of projects. This clarity enhances accountability, ensures deadlines are met, and everything proceeds according to plan. By dividing these roles effectively between the two platforms, you create a harmonious workflow where communication and task management complement one another seamlessly. In summary, effectively using Asana and Slack means understanding their unique strengths and integrating them in a way that optimizes your team's productivity. Whether you are tackling complex projects or managing routine tasks, this synergy can make your business operations much more efficient. Remember, it's all about clear communication and organized task management, key elements in fostering a productive work environment. So go ahead and implement these tips to enhance your business operations today, and watch how these tools help streamline your workflow successfully.